Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is just going to be a quick video. I wanted to give you guys a perspective on the dollar store. You know, so many of us go to the dollar store and you look around and you get lost and you think, oh gee, they don't have a lot of craft stuff, or what can I use in my art supplies? And I do tons of Dollar Tree or dollar store videos on stuff that you can get, you can buy, you can use, the whole thing. So they're all on my channel. I'll link them. However, something that you can do is, you know, I've showed you a million times the makeup sponges, and this is just your normal makeup sponge. You may have these laying around or not. Sometimes you can get these 2, 3 in a pack at the dollar store, and it's a makeup sponge. The new kind, like a beauty blender, so to say. And you get them, they're cheap. You get it 2 for $1 or whatever, and they're real nice for when you're doing inks or paint and you don't want that much. You know, you just kind of wet it like you normally would to use makeup. And even if you don't use makeup, grab them, because you wet them, they puff up, and you squeeze out the water, they're damp, and then you use it. And then you just, you know what I mean? So don't get like, don't like stare at the craft stuff and think at the dollar store, like, what am I going to use? Or I don't need any of these things. Look around. There is stuff everywhere in the dollar store that you can use. I get children board books and use them. They do have, you know, of course, your art supplies and stuff there. You can get these, which are fantastic to use in your art journals and on your art. So many things you can do with these. I'm going to do a video. So go check these out. These are great. Like I said, just one of the things that you can get at the dollar store and use in your art. So I hope that helps a couple of you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.